Hi guys. Okay, in math we are talking about shapes. Now you know in pre-K we talk about it, we do some things, and then we do other things, and then we come back to it again. So I know you're probably saying, we have already talked about that, but that's what pre-K is. You keep going back over it to make sure it stays up there in your head, okay? So let's read this. Title of this story: Can you see the shapes? So this is about what? Shapes. All sorts of colors, all sorts of shapes. So I'm going to open the book, and here is the title page. I'm going to move over here. Can you see the shapes? Cindy's Circle. It's kind of a big book, sorry guys. Cindy's circle goes round and around. See her? From high in the sky to the ground. She's the shape of a Ferris wheel. Oh, that's a ride you get on. They have it like at a fair or at the rodeo, at the fair part. Or a beach ball for the seal. Oh, there's the ball. And we were talking about a seal the other day because the word seal starts with an S. What shape is this? A circle. Say circle. Can you draw one? Good job. Trixie the triangle has 3 sides. You see her? There she is. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 3 straight sides. See her there on the red boat sail? That's a sail. A sailboat. That was another S word we talked about. And on the edge of the dragon's tail. Oh, see the little dragon? On his tail, there's triangles right there. And if you listen, say sail, tail. What do? They rhyme. They both end with l. Okay. Susie's square has 1 more side. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's verify. That means for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 what? Sides. And 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we look at Trixie Triangle, how many corners does she have? 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. Does the circle friend, Cindy Circle, have any corners? No. Have any sides? Nope. Just goes round and round. Now, Susie Square has her 4 sides are all the same. She makes a lovely picture frame. Frame, same. Those words what? They rhyme because they have the same ending. Meet Rudy Rectangle. You can't go wrong. His sides, 2 are short and 2 are long. Look, 2 short and 2 long. He is a what? Rectangle. He's the shape of a table and a door, a book, a window, and even more. Oscar the Octagon has 8 sides. You see him when you go for rides. At the intersection, look both ways. Oscar says stop, and everyone obeys. So a stop sign is an octagon. Can you say octagon? That's a pretty cool word. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 what? 8 sides. Good job. Renee, rhombus stands on one end. Some people call that a diamond shape, or you can say rhombus. She's another 4-sided friend. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. She has 4 corners and 4 sides. You could say rhombus or diamond. A glittery diamond on a ring, or a kite flying high at the end of a string. Aha. Lloyd the trapezoid joins the group. You can see him on a chicken coop right here. On rooftops, lampshades, and wheelbarrows too. Count his 4 sides. That's what you should do. A trapezoid. Olive oval is a curve, long and thin. She's the mouth of the new trash bin, right here. So an oval, we know this, is a circle, but it's like it's been stretched, right? Yeah. The colorful rug on the kitchen floor and the oval window in the door. They are what shape? Oval. Oval. Okay, so these are different shapes. An oval, a circle, a square, a trapezoid, a triangle, a rhombus, a rectangle, and an octagon. Whoa, that was kind of hard. I don't usually say octagon or rhombus. What shape do you see on the slide in the swing? Look at the climbing dome and the hanging ring. Man, they are good at rhyming in this book, aren't they? Say swing, ring. Good rhyming. You see all the things, all the different shapes? There are shapes all around us, everywhere. Yeah, there are shapes everywhere. When we go outside, we look at a playground, we look at construction workers, we ride in the car. There are shapes everywhere. Everywhere, yeah. So I want you to start noticing the shapes around you and start pointing out the shapes to your family, because that will tell them that you are learning and you are not just making the shapes, but you're seeing the shapes around you. Okay, now what we're going to do, we are going to practice sorting the shapes. This is a page from your, not just math, from your packet. And it says circle or square at the top. Okay? So you're going to be sorting the shapes at the bottom. So you can color them. Any shape, any shade, not shape, any shade you want. I'm coloring my ball. Now you can color the ball different colors. I'm just going to color it one color, okay, just so I can show you. And then, let's see, I'll have another color to color the window. Now remember, you want to color it neatly, but you do it, not your family, okay? So I've colored just 2 shapes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them out. Now the first thing I have to do is to cut on this line across. Okay, so I'm going to cut on the line. So I've cut this off. Now I'm going to cut out the boxes. It's going to be that time, friends. So then, after I cut them out, and I want you to do the cutting. I don't want your family to do it. I want you to do it. So I've cut out 2 things. Now I'm going to sort them to where they belong. Now, I can use all one color. If I want to do all my circles are going to be green, I can do it that way even. or I can color them any color. It doesn't matter. I'm just kind of doing it this way to show you this is an option. That means a choice. There's my orange. So I colored my square orange. So I could color all my square pictures orange. I could do that. I'm coloring the background orange, and I'll show it to you. I'm kind of hurrying through here. So that's what I did. And if you want to color all the circles green and all the squares orange, you can do that. And then sort them that way. Or I color them any color that your heart likes, okay? Then what you're going to be doing is gluing. Okay, we've talked about gluing. A little dab will do you because you have bottles of glue, unless your family has bought you a glue stick. So I take my bottle of glue or my glue stick, and my glue stick, I just do a little bit on the back. What shape is this? What is this? Remember it talks about a seal having it on their nose. What is it? A ball. And it goes on the circle side. On the circle side. You can color them any color. I just happen to have out orange and green, so that's what I colored them. And then, what is this? A window. What shape is it? How many corners? It has 4 corners and 4 sides. It is a square. Okay, so I did that. Now, you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 shapes to color and cut out and glue on your page. Now, families, if you don't have this page, that's fine. Just use some scissors and some crayons at home. If you have a printer and you want to print out 8 different things, it's about 4 of each. The circles and the squares, and your child can cut them out and then sort them and glue them on the correct side of the paper, okay? Don't make it too difficult for yourself. If you don't have it, figure out a way, because the main thing is that your child gets to practice. That's what's most important, okay? Wonderful. Great job listening and hanging in there, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.